What's going on YouTube? It's been a minute, but I wanted to do a quick video for you guys. So as you can see, I'm in the process of wrapping my car. I changed the color. It's going to a Narda gray. And what I really wanted to show you guys is a splitter I picked up from Easy Splitters. You know, I bought the white strip. They have various colors you can choose from, but I went with the white because I wasn't sure. I wanted something that was neochrome to match my lights here, but there was none, so I went with white for now. And when you buy this from them, this is optional. You can pay for these, the support bars. So I got those. It was 15 bucks. It's a really good deal. Black Friday, of course. Like I said, guys, this is just a quick video. I know I've been gone for a minute. And just so you know, when you purchase this from them, they send you all the hardware. You know, in anticipation for when the shit was coming in, I went to the department store and I got some nuts and bolts. But when I opened the box, I got everything. Everything. I didn't need to make any purchase. So yeah, you know, I went ahead and I got mounted here. The bolts that they send has the plastic piece on the inside, so you know the vibration doesn't, when you're driving, it doesn't vibrate and it gets undone. I thought that was real nice. Yeah, so like I said, I changed these lights out because they keep dying. I'm getting fed up. I might just not connect them, but I'm gonna connect these one last time. But every time I buy a set of lights, and of course the reviews on Amazon is terrific, I purchase it, and of course after a month or so, or 2 months, or a few months, they stop working. So I'm getting quite fed up. This is my third set that I keep changing out. It's getting a bit annoying, but yeah, like I said, it's a quick video and got it mounted. This is not going anywhere. If it's going somewhere, then the bumper is going with it, but it ain't going nowhere. And let me show you the box it came in. These people, man, let me tell you, hold on. Yeah, like I'm saying, these people, this is the box it came in. They sent a freaking 2x4 just to ensure that your splitter doesn't get bent or damaged, and it was bubble wrapped to the T. And like I said, all the hardware came inside here. You know, of course they say thank you, leave them a review, and this is it. Like, I was very impressed. Like, I've never seen a company where, you know, they sent you something and they went above and beyond to ensure that your product is not damaged, and I thought it was really commendable. Here's a 2x4, and I thought that was great. So like I said, guys, this is just a quick video. I turned my house into a freaking garage, the living room, because the garage has the car. Yeah, the wife is not happy, but yeah, like I said, it's a quick video, and here it is. Real nice. I love the wrap. I love the color. This is Narda Gray, by the way, from Cheetah Wraps, and I love it. It's so great. And yes, I am doing the wrap myself. I'm not a professional, but if someone else can do it, so can I, and so can you. All right, this thing just takes patience, and it can be done by anyone. And I must say, I've spent hours upon hours watching CK Wraps on how to get certain corners and stuff like the door handles done. You know, this is all CK Wraps. So guys, just be safe out there. Have a good Christmas. Have a great Christmas season. Yeah.